You guys, this is the last video I'm gonna post to help you with your test. Really, I just want to show for the last time how we show isotopes in two different forms, right? So if I want to talk about, let's just say oxygen. If I want to talk about oxygen 17, this 17 here, this number here, this guy right here, this is telling me the total mass sorry about that writing, the total mass of this particular isotope. So if I want to write the isotope notation or the symbol for it, I would put the O in, right? And we know that oxygen has an atomic number of 8. And this 17 tells me the total mass, so I'll just put that right on top, right? So these two things, this oxygen 17 and this symbol down here, oxygen 17 with 8 protons. These two things are exactly the same. So I want to do one last time. I'm going to tell you that this number here, sorry about that. Oof, bad arrow and everything. Let me get rid of that. There, this number down below is the atomic number, and we find this on our periodic table. That atomic number is the number of protons. And then this number up top is, again, the total mass oh, bad writing. Oh, geez Louise. There we go. And that is the total mass is the protons plus the neutrons. All right, so that has the total mass. That's everything. So if I wanted to know how many neutrons, right? So let's say how many neutrons? Neutrons in oxygen 17, oxygen 17, well, then we would just say, oh, well, 17 is my total. My total is 17, and then I would just subtract the number of neutrons minus, sorry, the number of protons. The protons. Which is 8. So 17 minus 8, that gives me 9 neutrons. All right, and since we are good to go, and this hasn't been a tremendously long video, I'm going to go ahead and erase all this. And we'll do one more. Okay, so let me just, oh, sorry. Do that, get rid of this, start writing again. So this is another one that was on your sheet from yesterday. Let's go ahead and try Magnesium, you knucklehead. Sorry, technical difficulties. Magnesium. And it's magnesium 25. Right? So what we'll do is we could look at the periodic table and see that magnesium, its chemical symbol is Mg, right? And this 25 tells me the total, so of course 25 goes up here. And if we look at the periodic table, we see that it has an atomic number of 12, right? So this is the isotope symbol for magnesium 25. And so it tells me that magnesium 25 has 12 protons and it has 13 neutrons. And as we were talking before, we also know that it has 12 electrons because it has the same number of electrons as it has protons. Okay, and that's it. That's pretty much it. As long as you remember that this number up top is the total mass for this isotope, the total mass of this isotope, which is equal to the number of protons plus the number of neutrons. Okay, and that you know down here, this number here is just its atomic number. And I know I'm repeating myself, but if I don't repeat myself, people don't remember. Oh, really? I'm talking and not writing correctly. Which is equal to the number of protons only. That's it. All right. So the questions will be a little bit different. They'll say which of these isotopes has one more neutron than its protons. And then you'll see that this magnesium 25, right? This magnesium 25 is one more than twice that atomic number. So you can judge just by looking at this that it has one extra neutron. It has one more neutron than it has protons. And I'll just, just because it's still the video and I'm still going, we see that it has 12 protons and 13 neutrons. And that's one more, right? 12 plus 13 equals 25 and all that good stuff. So you should be ready to go. And I apologize for this being longer than